How can I retrieve a deleted WhatsApp message?
Hey there! Ever accidentally deleted a WhatsApp message and wished you could get it back? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of retrieving that lost message. Let's dive in and recover those memories.
How do WhatsApp messages get deleted?
Before diving into the recovery, it's essential to understand how messages get deleted, manually by the user. Automatically due to chat backup settings. Due to a software glitch or an error. Understanding this will help you figure out which recovery method might be best.
Is it possible to retrieve a deleted message?
Absolutely. But the key is in the backup. WhatsApp regularly backs up chats, but the frequency of these backups can vary, daily, weekly, monthly, or not at all if you've disabled backups. The trick is to make sure you're restoring from a backup made before the deletion.
Steps to restore from a backup.
Follow these steps to recover your message. 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. 2. Reinstall it from your device's app store. 3. Launch WhatsApp and verify your phone number. 4. Once verified, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore from a backup. Tap Restore and select the relevant backup. Remember, if you restore from a backup made after the message was deleted, it won't be retrievable. It's vital to choose the right backup.
What if there's no backup?
If you've not enabled backup or it's been too long since the deletion, it might be challenging to retrieve the message. However, consider checking other devices where you might have WhatsApp web active. Sometimes, chat history can still be visible there. Asking the other person in the conversation if they still have a copy of the message. It can be distressing to lose messages, but thankfully, with backups in place, recovery is often possible. Remember to regularly check your backup settings to avoid future loss. Hope this guide was helpful. Stay connected and chat safely.